Okay, North American Auto Equipment. We're out here in Clinton, Massachusetts. We've just installed this 11,000 pound capacity Universalift floor plate lift in replacement of an old Challenger lift. Went together good. We glued the bolts in the floor today and moved it away from a couple of floor challenges here. Some expansion seams. These lifts are just so rugged for the money. In general, rugged. Power unit is on that side. If you need a lift, give us a shout. If you want to put those 2500s in the air, they'll cost you a little over $3 grand delivered and set up.